complete awkward strangers. We did not know if we could be friends. How soon we've come for to know each other. But now I know we will meet again. So here's to you and our time together. I'll share with you a parting glass, and I'll bid adieu with some smiles and laughter. Our time apart will be short and past. We've talked of dreams and of new tomorrows, of yesterday and its dark despair. We've had our share of love and sorrow, but now we part as friends who care. A long, long road it lies before me, and faith will take me where to will. But through the valleys and over mountains, I'll not forget, but remember you still. So here's to you and our time together. I'll share with you a parting glass, and I'll bid adieu with some smiles and laughter. Our time apart will be short and past. Our time apart will be short and